Hey, this is John Young. This is a response video or a reply here. Someone asked about the ManPlow and how well it cleans down and wanted a live demonstration. So it's like, I had a little dusting, one of these nuisance dustings here in Minnesota. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go and kind of do a little spot here. Now this is up under the lean-to, so you can see how the concrete looks with nothing. This is one of the passes, but I'm going to just do a pass, but I want to go down a tire track so you have an idea of what it does. There you have an idea of what it does. It doesn't scrape down quite as well as a metal, but it's pretty close. And on a day like today, we get a little sunshine and it will take off the rest of this little dusting here. So just wanted to give you a little idea of what the ManPlow can do with little fluff. Now we use this pretty much anything. If it's 2 inches to 3 inches or under, we will use the ManPlow on this parking area. If it gets to be more than that, we are going out and getting one of the snow blowers in action and doing it that way. So just to give you a little heads up here, this is the ManPlow. We'll put links in the description below, or you can go to manplow.com.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.